Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today we're going to make a relatively quick video on how to use your Samsung tablet as another monitor for either your PC or your laptop. I'm currently using my PC to demonstrate what the application looks like. And then I'll go ahead and switch to my phone to record what I'm seeing here on my laptop and, of course, on my tablet. Again, this is only for Samsung devices. However, this may also work for your tablets if it's not a Samsung. I know that you can also connect the typical USB-C cable here to your laptop, whether it's HDMI or if it has a USB-C connection as well. It's just a matter of connecting your cables, and then I believe you're allowed to share your display. However, just keep in mind that the method that I'll be using is through this application on a second screen. If you do have a Mac or an iPad, I actually do have a few, but I might do another video on that. I'll go ahead and post instructions in the description or a link at least to how to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and use a PC for now. Just FYI, you can also probably connect your tablet to like a Switch or a Nintendo system. Of course, it needs to be probably strong enough to support it. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and continue with this. You're gonna go to your Microsoft Store. You're gonna want to make sure that the device you're in is the same one that's logged into your tablet. So mine are both logged in through Samsung as well as Microsoft. You go ahead and download the second screen app, and then I'll go ahead and switch over to my laptop and show you what it looks like once it's been downloaded. So give me 1 second here. Okay, so I did switch over to my phone. I apologize. I do need to find a better way to record when it's handheld. This is my laptop here. It's a GS66 Stealth gaming laptop. So I've downloaded second screen here. All you need to do is just go ahead and open it. Once you do this, it's basically asking you to go ahead and activate it on your tablet. So we'll go on my tablet over here. You're gonna go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. And as you can see, it says second screen here. You're gonna turn that on. So now it's going to go ahead and ask you to redo this. So let's go ahead and do that, refresh it. All right, my tablet's here. I had already connected it, so now we're good to go. And as you can see here, it's now displaying the PC. So it's using it as an extension. My tablet is the second screen or second monitor, let's say, and then my laptop is the first one. You can also change how you want to use it. You can either duplicate it so it shows the exact same screen. Maybe you want to present, for example. You can go ahead and show them your tablet and then use your laptop. And then if you want to use it as a second screen only, then they'll go ahead and do that as well. I like the extend function just because if you look at the mouse, it's literally a second screen, kind of like if you have a gaming setup on your PCs. You can also change different stuff such as the resolution, the scale. You can allow for your tablet, if it uses its own keyboard and mouse, to also be able to jump over to your laptop. But basically, this is how I've been using it. I've been having the laptop for like 3 years now, the tablet for like a year, and I can't believe it took me this long to do this. But yeah, now I'm using it for work. Or I'll go ahead and game here and then maybe like do something else here. For those that have seen the channel, you know that I like to play video games, so a lot of times I'm like doing something here and then maybe watching a video. But that's pretty much it. That's literally all it takes. Again, like I mentioned before, you can do this a lot of different ways. There's different apps. This is just the app that I use. You can again connect the cable to your laptop. I'm not sure if you can see, but if it has a USB-C, you can go ahead and connect it. HDMI, you can do so as well. And then again, you can also use it as a TV because, basically it is for other devices like video games and whatnot. I'll be linking the instructions, like I mentioned, on the description box for Macs. If you have any questions or you have any issues, let me know. Some of you might have noticed as well that there's a DeX function, but that's more if you want to make your own tablet, like a laptop, so you'll have your keyboard and your mouse. So I don't use that. There's also other devices that attach themselves to the laptop, or they're like freestanding on their own. You just have to either connect them to your laptop to get battery, or you have to connect them themselves to get battery. Those are extensions as well. I was looking at a few products myself, but since I have all this already, I figured, why spend more money? I'll go ahead and link a few products that I saw that seem pretty optimal, especially if you're a gamer. So I'll do that. Again, hopefully this video helped you out. I know it was relatively short and you may have a lot of questions or issues. So like always, just feel free to leave a comment. I'll go ahead and respond as soon as I can. And don't forget to like and subscribe.